How to change your Facebook profile to digital creator. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can change your Facebook profile to digital creator, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To change your Facebook profile to digital creator, which means a digital or a creator account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is to simply come to your profile page here, and once you come to your profile page, this is the kind of interface that you will see, right? Where what you have to do is just tap on the three dots option here, and once you tap on the three dots option, you'll find these options here, where what you have to do is select turn on professional mode. So when you turn on professional mode, it's like a creator mode that is allowed normally for creators or digital creator. If you are a digital creator, this option might be for you. You can see all the benefits, you can turn it on, and then your profile will be changed to a digital creator account. This way you'll be able to change profile to digital creator on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.